You know that week when global markets feel like they're walking a tightrope? That's exactly what happened this time. US tech took a stumble, China's exports fell, and Indian markets? Well, they are holding steady with a few sectors quietly shining through. Welcome back to Prime Weekly Episode 8, where we break down the biggest market movers, global cues, and the stock stories you shouldn't miss this week. Let's start with the stocks that made headlines. Hindalco had strong momentum. Revenue surged 14% year-on-year with profits up to Rs 4,741 crore. The metal sector seems to be finding its rhythm again, and Hindalco's consistency is really setting the tone. Nalco wasn't far behind. Revenue hit Rs 4,292 crore, up 7%, and profits jumped 35% to Rs 1,430 crore. Plus, margins improved to 45%. That's a major recovery in the aluminium space. Shyam Metallics is quietly becoming a favorite. 23% revenue growth and 21% profit growth compared to last year. Margins are improving and they are really benefiting from the infrastructure push. Ratnamani Metals and Tubes had a solid quarter. Revenue up by 23%, profit up over 50%, and margins inching higher to 18%. The pipeline and industrial metals demand story seems to be playing out well. Newland Laboratories really stood out. Profit jumped nearly 3 times year-on-year. They are moving towards higher margin products, and that strategy is clearly paying off. V8 Tech Babag is another quiet winner. Solid project execution and healthy margins drove their numbers up. It's been a good quarter for infra and utilities overall. Now, speaking of stocks, this week's pick of the week is Indigo Paints. Why? Because the company has been expanding rapidly into Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, grabbing market share from larger players. Festive demand has given them a big boost, and margins are improving steadily. You can check out the full pick of the week report linked below in description. Now, let's zoom out a bit, because the global picture this week was pretty dramatic. US market saw a rough patch. The Nasdaq slipped around 3%, its worst week since April, mainly because of weakness in big tech. The S&P 500 ended flat and the Dow dropped 1.2%. Meanwhile, in India, the Sensex and Nifty both fell slightly around 0.8%, each as investors booked profits amid global uncertainty. But the broader indices held up well, especially mid-caps. The rupee's depreciation added some pressure, but optimism around India's fundamentals kept the tone stable. And with big IPOs like PhysicsWallah and Tenneco hitting the market this week, worth over Rs 10,000 crore combined liquidity will be definitely something to watch. Now, let's look at what's been happening around the world because these events could shape the market mood ahead. China's exports fell for the first time in 8 months, down by 1.1% in October. Imports also slowed down, signaling a softer domestic economy. In the UK, companies are planning around 3% pay hikes next year, but AI could replace some jobs. About 1 in 6 employers expect to reduce headcount due to automation. China's inflation numbers ticked up slightly, CPI grew 0.2% and PPI fell a bit less than expected, but deflation risks still linger. And over in the US, the government shutdown continues, raising fears that the Q4 GDP might even turn negative if it drags on. So, what's the key takeaway this week? Well, despite the global jitters and tech volatility in the US, India's markets are holding their ground, backed by strong mid-cap performance and healthy domestic fundamentals. With the Nifty finding support near its 50-day moving average and a wave of upcoming IPOs adding liquidity, this could be a good time for investors to stay selective but keep optimistic focus on fundamentally strong picks and keep an eye on macro cues as they unfold. If you want to dig deeper into all these stories, from the detailed stock analysis to the global economic outlook, check out the full Prime Weekly report linked below in the description. Until next time, stay informed, stay invested. This is Prime Weekly, helping you make money matter.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.